Hi friends, how are you? My name is Adrik Vaibhav and welcome back to my channel Blinkingg Eyes. Friends, today is super exciting because I got a brand new keyboard for myself by my parents and I am going to unbox my new piano, the Yamaha PSR-I500. I've been waiting for this moment because earlier I was using small piano Casio as a AT, but now I got this keyboard. And guess what? It came with a bunch of cool accessories like an adapter, a sheet music stand, and a product manual. And today we get to open this box and see what's inside. Plus, I got a big strong carry bag and a super cool piano stand. Can't wait to see everything. So friends, let's get started. Whoa, look at this. It's so shiny and cool. This is the Yamaha PSR-I500 keyboard. It looks awesome and it's a little heavy, but I think it'll be fun to play. I'm so excited. And here's the adapter. This is what powers the keyboard, so I can play it for hours without stopping. Here's the sheet music stand. This will hold my music sheets so I can easily play and read at the same time. And here's the product manual. This tells me everything how to use the keyboard and all its cool features. Friends, now let's check out the rest of the stuff. If we talk about piano stand, this one is super strong and it's going to hold the piano really well, and my keyboard won't fall over while I play. Look at that. It's all set up and ready to go. And here's the carry bag. This one is really big and thick, so I can keep my keyboard safer when I take it to a music class or a friend's house. It's perfect for protecting my keyboard when I'm on the go. Now let's quickly set everything up and take a look at the keyboard's layout. Okay, so now we have to put the keyboard on the stand. It's super easy. Also removed all the covers and packing. Now fix the sheet music stand, and after inserting the adapter, our piano is ready. As you can see, this is the Yamaha keyboard PSR-I500 model. It has a full-size 61 key layout, which is perfect for all kinds of music, from classical to modern. The keys are pretty soft and nice. This piano has all the important ports for input or output and have support for aux, USB, phone and adapter. It also has an option to play with batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 battery cases to play the piano without adapter. Couple of screws are there to fix the piano perfectly. By these point to the stand so that the piano cannot move. Now let's start the piano and see what this keyboard can do. I can't wait to play all the sounds. First, look at these keys. They're full size, which means it's like a real piano, and they feel really good when I press them. So the PSR-I500 has 61 keys. That's lots of keys to play music on. Oh wow! It has over 800 different sounds. So whether you're playing piano, strings, guitars or synthesizers, you've got an amazing range of sounds to experiment with. It also has over 300 styles to choose from. Everything from pop to jazz to world music. Let me try one. This is the grand piano sound. It sounds just like a real piano. Now let me try the sitar. There's even a veena. Listen to this. And look at this. I can play a bulbul tarang too. Let me try. show you a few of my favorites. First, we've got the classic grand piano sound. Now we play Cool Galaxy or electric piano. Now we play Sawtooth. Now we will play tabla. Now we will play R&B loop. Now we will play samba. It's amazing how many instruments I can play just on this keyboard. Now here's something really cool. This keyboard has different styles. That means I just choose a style and the keyboard plays the drums, bass and other instruments. Let me show you some other things. This keyboard has a lot of effects too. You can add things like reverb to make your sound more echoey, or chorus to make it sound bigger. Now I'm going to play a little song to show you how the keys feel. These keys are easy to press and they're not too soft or too hard. It's just right. That was fun and the sound is so clear, it's like playing on a real piano. Friends, this Yamaha PSR-I500 is amazing. It has so many voices, cool styles and even effects that make it sound super fun. The stand is strong and the carry bag is perfect for when I want to take my keyboard somewhere. I think I'm going to have so much fun playing music with this. If you like this unboxing video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. And friends, let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how to play some songs on the PSR-I500. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!